Hi guys, welcome to Stockton Kia. Got a lovely 72 plate Toyota CXR XL. It's a 1.8 petrol automatic hybrid, self-charging hybrid, just over 16,100 miles. Lovely car, bit of a unique colour, all finished sort of like the deep purple, really suits the car well. Daytime running lights there, got colour-coded centres front and back on the vehicle. Coming down the side, got a nice 18-inch alloy wheels, integrated side mouldings. CHR is a very recognisable car, a bit more unique, especially from the back. So you've got the sort of twin spoilers, you've got the one running off the roof, and then you've got this high-rise one as well, integrated with the brake lights. Lovely condition inside and out of this car. Really good sized boot, nice and practical. 60-40 split on the rear seats as well. Inside the back of the vehicle, you've got full leather trim throughout, front and rear. So the privacy glass just keeps it nice and private. Plenty of space for 3 and 2 sets of ISOFIX points for the kids' seats, keep nice and safe and secure. There's loads of features on this one, with it being the XL model. I'll run through some of the interior features and the tech on the car. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition inside and out, as you'd expect with such low mileage. So inside the front cabin section, then you've got electric adjustment on the driver's seat. Really nice and comfortable. That lovely central console section, which has got additional storage underneath the armrest. Dual climate air conditioning. We've also got heated front seats. Sat-nav system, as well as digital radio, all your Bluetooth streaming, and it incorporates that reversing camera as well with the parking lines. Really nice, easy car to drive, nice and smooth. You've got all your trip information, so your cruise control down here as well. Automatic headlights, automatic wipers. There's many fancy options on this CHR. If there's any more information you'd like to know about this car, if you are interested, do get in contact with us here at Stockton Kia. We're more than happy to assist you with your inquiry on this lovely Toyota CHR.